My name is Mauricio Carrasquilla. I work as a post-secondary education coordinator at Ocean Networks Canada in the Learning and Community Engagement team. As a post-secondary education coordinator, my role is to engage professors, instructors, and students with ONC's data for research, but mainly for teaching purpose. What we do is develop course material, lab material with real live examples of ONC's data, and with these materials we engage students and try to explain different oceanographic, ecological, biological, geophysical, geological phenomena that happen in the ocean based on all the instruments that we have underwater. Alright, so I think it's important because we need to engage students at different levels, such as post-secondary, K-12 students, and the community in general, to understand what's happening in our environment, in our world these days. So these examples and our data can give students and give the public in general a very good idea of how our oceans are changing. For things like climate change, ocean acidification, sea level rise, all of these things that are affecting our oceans right now are important to understand, and that's why I think if we engage students, we are doing a great job. I've been, again, in my role, I'm working closely with professors and instructors to develop teaching material. And as I go through as I develop this teaching material, I have to go through data from different observatories, from different sites and community observatories. So I've been going through a lot of data on fish from Campbell River Community Observatory, and it's interesting to see how the fish community varies and changes over time. So I've been looking at data of a year, 2019, and recording what fishes we see and then how many there are, the abundance of the fishes. So seeing how the fish change based on the season has been interesting. I think working with real data is really powerful, and actually having students work with real data and have a clear understanding of what's happening in the oceans based on real data is really, really powerful. I think that by doing that, we are making students be more analytical, think a little bit more about what's happening in our oceans and how our oceans are changing. Yeah, so I think that's the main point, and I think that's really important. In Colombia, where I'm originally from, I did my undergrad in marine biology, and when I was doing my undergrad thesis, I worked with dolphin behavior, marine mammal behavior, which I guess it's a lot of the marine biology's dream job, work with marine mammals. And then I started thinking about a master's degree, and when I started thinking about a master's degree, I thought about switching gears a little bit and having a social component to it. So I started working with fisheries and mangrove as fish habitats. And so mangroves host a variety of fish and support fisheries in developing countries, and developing countries have very poor fishermen. So that led me to the master's in Mexico, and then after that I came to the biology department at UVic, and I also kept working with mangroves as fish habitat with a social component and also a marine ecological component. As I was doing my PhD, I had the opportunity to TA multiple courses, animal behavior, ecology, bio, first year, and so I gained a lot of teaching experience, and I really enjoy teaching students and interacting with students and trying to help them understand different biological concepts. So once I finished my PhD and I saw the opportunity at Ocean Networks Canada, where a strong scientific background was required, but also the teaching aspect of it, and combining those two seemed like a very interesting challenge and a very interesting job. So that's how I came to Ocean Networks Canada, putting all my marine biology knowledge and my teaching knowledge that I gained at UVic, and here I am. I would say that just follow their dreams, and as long as they are passionate about it and they put their heart and soul to it, they will pursue their goals and they will get where they want to get, and they will definitely contribute to a better understanding our oceans. I'm happy to talk to students and chat to students about what my career has been and what the options for marine biology and marine ecology are around the world and Canada.